Can parenting plans include international travel? Imagine planning a family trip abroad and wondering if your parenting plan covers such adventures. It's a common question for parents navigating custody and child rights. Yes, parenting plans can include rules about international travel with a child. These plans are written agreements that specify what each parent can or cannot do when it comes to traveling outside the country. They are part of custody arrangements and help keep everyone on the same page. Most parenting plans clearly state whether international travel is allowed, restricted, or forbidden for one or both parents. If travel is permitted, the plan usually requires the parent planning to go abroad to get written permission from the other parent beforehand. This helps avoid disagreements or surprises about where the child is going. Some plans specify which countries are okay for travel. For example, countries that follow the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction are often considered safer options. This treaty helps prevent one parent from taking the child to another country without permission. If there are concerns about a parent fleeing with the child, the plan might restrict travel to certain countries or ban international trips altogether. Notification rules are also common. The parent planning to travel might need to give detailed information about the trip, such as the destination, departure and return dates, and contact details for where they will stay. Usually, this notice must be given a certain number of days before the trip, like 30 days, to give the other parent time to review and respond. Travel documentation is another key aspect. The plan may requiring the child to have a valid passport and, if needed, visas for the destination country. It might also ask for copies of the custody agreement and written consent from the non-traveling parent to carry during travel. In most cases, parents with joint custody need to get written approval from the other parent before taking the child abroad. If consent is denied, the parent can ask the court for permission. Courts will look at what's best for the child and may approve travel if it's safe and reasonable. During travel, some plans include rules about staying in touch. This might mean regular phone calls or video chats, considering time zone differences. The goal is to keep the child connected with both parents while respecting their travel experience. Safety is also a priority. The plan may requiring the parent traveling to notify the other immediately if the child becomes ill or has an emergency. Including international travel provisions in a parenting plan helps protect the child's welfare and clarifies each parent's rights and responsibilities. When creating or updating these plans, parents and their lawyers should clearly address travel rules to avoid misunderstandings or legal issues later. Courts often recommend detailed travel rules to make sure everyone's rights are respected and the child's best interests are served.